In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Calendar to enhance your viewing experience. If you spend a lot of time managing your schedule, meetings, or events using Google Calendar, then switching to dark mode might just be the change you need to reduce eye strain and make everything a bit easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to switch to dark mode, step by step. To start, open Google Calendar in your preferred browser. Once it's up and running, you'll need to turn your attention to the top right corner. It's where all the magic, or in this case, all the settings and customization options are generally located. You will notice multiple icons sitting proudly on the top bar, but there's one specific icon that you'll want to click on. It might look like a settings gear or a drop-down menu, offering you a gateway into personalizing your Google Calendar interface. Once you've clicked on this icon, a menu will appear with several options that allow you to enhance your calendar experience. Among these options, locate and click on Appearance. This is where you can adjust the look and feel of your calendar. Now, within the appearance settings, you'll find a couple of options that can change how your calendar looks. Here, look for the option labeled Dark. Selecting this will immediately apply a darker color scheme to your entire calendar interface. This transforms your standard calendar view into a more subdued and eye-friendly version, particularly great if you're using it during evenings or in darker environments. Once you've clicked on the dark option, your changes should take effect almost instantly. You'll notice that all the usual bright whites and lighter colors have now shifted to deeper, darker shades and tones, which can be a welcome relief for those who prefer or require a less glaring screen to gaze upon. Finally, to save or confirm your changes, you'll likely see a Done button. Clicking on this finalizes your new settings and ensures that your Google Calendar will remain in dark mode each time you open it. With this simple switch, your calendar should now seamlessly display in dark mode, providing not just a sleek look, but also better visibility in lower light settings. And that's it! You've just learned how to toggle on the dark mode for Google Calendar. Feel free to incorporate this setting into your daily routine whenever you feel it would most benefit your eyesight and improve your overall user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy navigating your now dark-themed digital schedule.